It's no longer breaking news that having various streams of passive income can help you become more resilient and better able to withstand economic shocks. You could have various side hustles that generate extra cash flow, but that involve your active participation. This still plays a limit on your time and resources. There's nothing as relieving as putting structures in place or creating systems that generate income without your active participation. In other words, passive income is the system that multiplies your income while you sleep. This is possible. There are endless ways to make money while you sleep, if only you're ready to pay the short-term sacrifice to obtain the long-term goal. Building a passive income stream is not usually automatic at first. Your time, resources, and expertise might be needed. The key to making your ideas for passive income successful is knowing where, when, how, and what resources you're to invest in. Your success is guaranteed if you're prepared to take the necessary actions. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Dropshipping. This is one of the best passive income ideas, and this is because it doesn't require a lot of capital to start. After all, you don't need to have a physical store. Although dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick syndrome, it takes just a little upfront investment of time before it starts generating stable income. This entire idea is built on creating an e-commerce store where customers browse and buy products. You don't have to physically own or see the product. You are not manufacturing anything. Your online platform is simply an intermediary between a bigger store and the final consumer. A great place to start could be with your smartphone, social networking pages, e-commerce websites, etc. You can dropship goods from significant e-commerce platforms and charge customers more for them. You may use the traffic that already exists on these platforms to promote your online commerce, facilitating hassle-free product sales for business owners. By promoting these products on social media sites like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, you can accomplish this from the comfort of your own home. Create your own company by opening a Shopify store and selling goods made by others. You can sell products utilizing drop shipping without the expenses and hassles associated with warehousing and supply chain management. Just remember to do your homework on what is trending and selling well in your niche, and identify things you can easily source at a reasonable price. Then, create a fantastic marketing plan to attract customers to your store, and you're ready to go. Affiliate marketing. By incorporating a link on your website or social media accounts as a blogger or social media influencer, you can effortlessly generate some extra cash. Well-known affiliate partners like Amazon, eBay, and ShareASale, amongst others, can help you achieve your dream of earning commissions on sales by being an affiliate. You might also consider creating an email list to promote your blog or otherwise direct readers to products and services they might require. As an affiliate marketer, you receive a commission each time a visitor clicks on the link and purchases something from the third-party affiliate. Since the commission could be between 3 and 7%, it will probably require a lot of visitors to your site to earn something substantial. However, if you can expand your audience or find a lucrative specialty like software, financial services, or fitness, you might be able to earn a sizable sum of money. Social media influencer. Did you know that you may get paid for posting on websites that entertain? As a virtual entertainment titan, there are several methods to make money. Delivering sponsored posts is possible when working with organizations. The number of followers and fans you have and your level of commitment are typically used to calculate the rates for supported postings. You can also earn money as a major force in online entertainment by sharing affiliate connections, writing supportive blog posts, organizing events, and attending events as a major partner. Do you have any skills that might be useful for an online entertainment platform? Ask emerging consumer brand companies to pay you to post about their product, or at the very least, to showcase it in your feed. You'll need to keep adding information to your profile that appeals to your targeted audience. Additionally, that means you must keep posting content that expands your horizons and connects you with your followers. Note that unlike the random affiliate marketer, as an influencer, you can earn both as an affiliate and by having a direct contract from the product producer. Leasing. There are some things you're compelled to buy for occasional use at home, either to reduce the stress of going out to enjoy the services that these items provide, or probably because you consider the occasional rental fee as way too expensive compared to the selling price of the item. Think carefully about all of your assets, because you might have something you can rent out, such as an extra room, truck, a vacant room, the car you won't need in a month, an empty plot of land, unoccupied office space in the building, or the camper you don't use for about months of the year. You can generate extra income with them. These days, there are even sites like Home Camper where you can rent out a nursery, field, or piece of land for people to use temporarily. Perhaps you own a parking space or carport in an area close to the city center, or on the other hand, if you have a ton of other small items like a trailer, projector, grass cutter, etc., why not put them out on lease every weekend? Make your money work for you while you enjoy the nice time out with your kids and grandkids. Write and sell a short book. Writing a digital book can be a good way to take advantage of the low cost of distribution and even affect Amazon's total circulation to get your book seen by potentially a lot of potential buyers. Given that they depend on your skill, digital books can be modestly priced and only 30 to 50 pages long. You do not necessarily need to be an expert or a savvy writer. A minimal knowledge is needed to create low-content books. As regards formatting of the book and book cover designs, there are endless sites available online that can ease off the stress. You could use Word or Google Docs to create your digital books, then convert them into PDFs. With constant learning and improvement in your niche, you are sure to sell a reasonable number of books every day. Create courses and guide. Making a sound or video course, then sitting back and watching money pour in from the offer of your goods is one well-known method for recurring automated revenue. Sites like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera can be used to deliver and sell courses. On the other hand, you can adopt the freemium model. This strategy involves building a following through free content and then charging for additional detailed information or for those who want to know more. For instance, stock picking advisors and language educators might both make use of this paradigm. An initial free version serves as a demonstration of your mastery and could appeal to people seeking to advance and learn more. A course can be a fantastic way to generate income because it pays for itself quickly after the initial time investment. All you just need to do is to make detailed research and get the right information together. Blogging, vlogging. Blogging is one of the most challenging sources of passive income because it requires your time, expertise, and finance. Though anyone may start this side business and scale it if they are prepared to put in the initial time and effort, nevertheless, this is still one of the most astounding automated revenue ideas for beginners. By engaging your passion and turning it into a subject worth exploring by dishing out valuable content through a blog or a vlog, like a YouTube channel, you can earn from advertising products or the monetization of your content. But you must find a well-known topic, even a little specialization, and become an expert in it. It will take some time for you to establish a setup of content and attract a following, but as you establish a reputation for your engaging content, it will eventually become a reliable source of income. Your blog can be made profitable in the shortest amount of time if you have a good understanding of search engine optimization and algorithms. Real estate. Due to its constant popularity, real estate is a fantastic investment. People will always need a place to live, thus your property will remain in demand. So, real estate is one of the most well-known methods of converting intangible resources into tangible ones. When you buy an investment property, you become its owner and are entitled to lease payments or other forms of compensation, including stopping fees, from people who use the space. This is because land appreciates over time thanks to factors such as high demand and limited supply, expansion, urbanization, and other factors. Regardless of how old the house is or how far away the property is, these factors increase the land's value. When all is said and done, investing in real estate is one of the most creative and simple ways to create automated revenue. Either you can purchase a home to rent out, or you can develop a plot of land to sell it later. This can be risky, but the best course of action is to do a thorough inspection inspection before buying any property, and always consult a licensed professional to acquire the most reliable information. Although there are many additional choices for passive income, you can consider all of the above suggestions based on the resources you have available: time, money, or experience. And if you have all three, that's great. Having this fundamental base will help you get closer to achieving financial independence. For more on investment ideas, click on the next video on your screen. Thanks for watching.